Make sure before you remove these that you pay particular attention to the orientation of each blade, because clearly there's a difference between left and right, passenger and driver. All right, so we're going to remove a wiper transmission motor from this Chevy Equinox GMC Terrain. We're going to start by pulling these caps off. No, you do not have to pull the hood off. Yes, I was taking this off at a junkyard and it already had the hood off. No, it doesn't make it harder having the hood on. Good afternoon, folks. Today we are going to change a wiper motor and transmission on a Chevy Equinox and GMC Terrain. I use both for this video. No matter how dumb you think you are, I promise, if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. It's easy. All you need is a 10 millimeter, a little pry bar, and a new wiper motor and transmission, which you can get down in the Amazon link below in the description. My name's Clay with the Clay Way here in Grand Rapids, Muskegon, Michigan. And if this video is helpful, please consider subscribing, clicking the notification, sharing my videos. Give me them sweet old thumbs up. And if you've got a question for me, and it's not baby mama drama related, I can help you out. Yes, and it's freaking free. You won't have to pull from your prison wallet. Hit me up on Facebook under Clay's AC and Auto Repair. I try to help everyone I absolutely can. So let's get on with the show. To make this procedure a little bit easier, or even if you want to change your wiper blades on your vehicle, turn the ignition on. Turn the ignition off when they're in the upright position. This will make them simpler to change and simpler to replace your wiper motor and transmission. If they won't turn on, you can just loosen up the nuts and move them into the upright position like I'm going to show you here in a couple moments. Here, these are 13 millimeter, I think. Correction, 15 millimeters. Now with the windshield wiper arm remover tool, we're going to insert this on here. Make sure you keep it square. Pull this off. If you don't have a windshield wiper remover tool, you can take a pry bar and your nut and put it back on there. And then it will pop up to your nut. You won't smash your threads. It will lift your arm up, take it off. Now we need to take out the pussies. And we got these pushy pliers right here that we do that with. You're gonna have some end caps over here with little pussies in it too that you'll need to pull off on each side. They should just unclip the one and then pull right off. These are actually what I was referring to. You need to pull these out of the way. You're gonna have a pussy right here, another one right there, and then another one right there. It's quite simply just pull up, but try not to tear them. So they kind of come up like this and then pull out of the way. You do not have to remove this rubber seal from anywhere but on the ends. Be careful not to damage yours, because I'm not worried about this. This is out in the junkyard that I'm taking this out at. But we need to pull that little clip out of there, and you should be able to remove this cover right here. Then with one side of that up, we should be able to pop up that one side and move it out of our way. Then we're gonna go ahead and remove the two bolts that fasten down our wiper motor and transmission. And then there's a third bolt right here, it looks like. And if there's any more, I'll let you know. So to get this out, we raise up this edge right here. It's gonna be kind of wonky. Slide it over to the passenger side. Then we can flip it over and disconnect the windshield wiper motor. Pull this clip up with both hands. You should be able to pull that back. Have your wiper motor out and you can reinstall it exactly reverse. Not too tough. Hopefully that video was helpful and your wipers are working again. Remember, don't be the next to them, be the absolute first to you. And if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. God bless, folks. Have the absolute best of days.